Hello and welcome to our review of the Chemical Guys ACC161 Detailing Bucket. If you're a car enthusiast, you know that detailing your vehicle is important to keep it looking its best. And a good detailing bucket is a must-have tool in your arsenal. In this review, we'll be taking a closer look at the bucket, its features, and what makes it stand out from the competition. So, let's get started. Design and features. The bucket is made of heavy-duty materials that are built to last. It has a capacity of 5 gallons, which is perfect for most car detailing jobs. The bucket comes with a snap-on lid to keep your tools and supplies organized and clean. And it also has a built-in grit guard to help prevent dirt and debris from being transferred back onto your vehicle. Another great feature of this bucket is the ergonomic handle, which makes it easy to carry around even when it's filled with water and supplies. The handle is also designed to be comfortable to hold, so you won't have to worry about hand fatigue during longer detailing sessions. Versatility. One of the things we love about the bucket is its versatility. It's not just a regular bucket, it's a multi-purpose detailing tool that can be used for a variety of tasks. The snap-on lid is also a great feature that adds to the versatility of this bucket. It allows you to store your detailing supplies inside the bucket, so you can easily transport them to different locations or keep them organized in your garage or detailing studio. Ease of use. The bucket is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The built-in grit guard helps to prevent dirt and debris from being transferred back onto your car, and the ergonomic handle makes it easy to carry around. The snap-on lid is also easy to remove and put back on, so you can quickly access your detailing supplies when you need them. One thing to note is that this bucket does not come with a gamma seal lid, which some users prefer for added convenience. However, the snap-on lid still does a great job of keeping your supplies clean and organized. The Chemical Guys ACC161 Detailing Bucket is a must-have tool for any car enthusiast or detailer. Overall, we highly recommend this detailing bucket for anyone who wants to take their car detailing game to the next level. We hope you found our in-depth review helpful and informative. Comment below if you have any questions about this review or explanation. Thanks for watching.